Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Today's video contains a very beautiful, elegant and a stylish collection of hand embroidered sleeve designs. Different type of hand embroidered sleeve patterns are being shown to you, shared with you into your screens. So different type of fabric bases have been used. Now let's discuss about the main concern, that which type of embroidery thread and which type of fabric base could be used to make these very beautiful patterns of embroidery. So in order to give your dresses a more creative, beautiful, elegant and sleek look, I would recommend you to go for wool embroidery, and secondary option would be anchor or DMC as a thread for using and making these patterns. The creativity and the beauty of these video collection is that you are not only getting different type of sleeve embroidery patterns, but you're also getting creativity and stitching and styling pattern relevant ideas of your dresses as well. So this is the wide perspective of the design collection of today's video. Sleeves embroidery as embroidery which you can use to make your already existing plain color shirts. Even you can embroider these patterns onto your new or already existing shirts, a plain fabric base or simple light touch of a printed fabric or a subject art could be used. So making your dresses more formal, I would recommend you to make use of beads, pearls, and sequence work in between these very beautiful borders of sleeves embroidery. Even you can also beautify your gowns, your jalebias, your abayas, your any type of maxi dress with the help of very beautiful patterns of sleeves embroideries. So different stylish patterns of embroidery like beautiful all over embroidery, like embroidery motif style pattern, like simple floral mini beautiful flowers, along with the ranges of waterline embroidery for making the sleeves patterns have been shared with you. So I would recommend you to do try these patterns. The beauty and creativity of these designs is that they could be equally used for machine embroidery also. So if you want to get more creative, amazing, latest and trendy fashionable ideas relevant to machine and hand embroidery, then stay tuned for the new and latest upcoming videos on my channel. These beautiful patterns of sleeves embroidery could also be used for sweater embroidery as well. Thank you so much for watching.